Hey guys, today is the day after Thanksgiving and I hope you guys had an amazing holiday. Spend time with family and friends or however you choose to spend the day. So I filmed the video about to watch, I filmed it a few days ago. Okay, before I share the video, what I did is I like to decorate early, right? Few reason being is I change my mind a lot. I do. And the way I had it decorated before, it was just a base, and then as I keep on walking and passing the space over and over, I realized certain mistake that I've made, and it gave me a chance to fix it. So by the time Christmas comes, it will be the perfect look of what I want to look like. So the first set of clips you're gonna do is, I took my own advice. I was feeling like this space, particularly in the front, was kind of flat, so I wanted to change things up a little bit. So of course I had my husband move around some things for me. So I changed out the coffee table that was in here, which was a circle Wayfarer's coffee table, and bring in Restoration Hardware coffee table, and you're gonna see on the side right here where JB was helping me kind of move it and rearrange it a little bit. And once it got in here, I'm like, yeah, I like it. I like the idea of just newness, but newness doesn't necessarily mean I gotta go buy something. It's just like, let me just play around some things like that. So I did that, and I do like it, and I styled up very simple. I had a small Christmas tree in the space, and then I took it up because it felt weird. And I put this tall pencil Walmart Christmas tree in the space, and I do like it. And then the bottom, because I didn't decorate the tree, I just put some things around the tree to kind of give just a different look and feel of it. So the clips you're gonna see is just me just decorating and moving things along. Hopefully you enjoy it, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video. exchanges, flip-flopping, exchanging from room to room pieces. I removed the pillars, had some blankets. The space was feeling very, very serious, so I went to Marshalls, and I bought this beautiful blanket right here. I bought this really pretty playful blanket, and I really do like it. I just drape it over the chair. I think sometimes, for me anyway, I take my decor extremely seriously, and it makes others feel uncomfortable using the space. So not because I'm trying to please anybody. That's not it. No. But I do want my home to be inviting and to be relaxing, especially for myself and my husband and my kids and our kids. So yes. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I think the next one is going to be us setting the dining room for Christmas, because we had dinner there. We had dinner for Thanksgiving here, so that's what's going to be next. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.